There's a nationwide trend for splash pads and water features in parks. Romtec, with its expertise, provides structures tailored for these amenities. Splash pads offer a safe, water play environment for children on hot days. Romtec ensures that splash pad facilities meet diverse needs, from simple to very complex structures. Showcased in projects like Chapman Park in Chico, California, and Rose Park in Waukegan, Illinois. Romtec structures cater to both splash pad users and park and recreation departments. At Chapman Park, the restroom structure includes ADA-compliant restrooms and a storage room for splash pad maintenance. Chemicals are securely stored, prioritizing water safety for young users. Rose Park's multipurpose building in Waukegan, Illinois exemplifies Romtec's versatility. This building features restrooms, showers, chemical storage, a concession stand, and a guard room for added security. Rose Park's design prioritizes convenience for splash pad users, ensuring a pleasant experience for everyone. As Romtec splash pads become commonplace, Romtec remains committed to supplying structures from restrooms to multi-purpose splash pad buildings. They all meet the evolving needs of parks and guarantee the safety and enjoyment for all visitors.